Welcome to Bell CB, everybody. We're looking at a Galaxy DX-979 today. We have a tune-up report for Gregory in Virginia. We're going to be using my 636 mic today. And here's our watt meter, the 10 watt scale. Up here is 4 and there's 6. We got it on AM, powers all the way up. Comes in at 5. When I turn the power down, it goes down to 1. Over here on the peak reading watt meter, I got a 50 watt scale. We'll be looking right in the middle here. That's 20 and that's 30.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check, 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 check.
And upper side down.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio. Okay, let's put it on here. Say breaker 19 for a radio check, come on. They sound alright there, driver.